Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Yapzor. Today we are having this before us, writing a Python code from 0 to 1 million 10 million and 1. So without talking much, let's get started. If you are new here, kindly hit on the subscribe button to subscribe. It's free of charge. You won't pay anything for it, and the notification icon so that whenever I release a new video, you'll be the first to get it. So with this, how you do it is we'll use the for loop to iterate through it. You can check my other videos. I've explained for loop in full and list comprehension too. I have a video on that. We'll use for loop here. So what the logic is, we'll take through a range. So first, understand the concept of range. So a range gives a list from 0 or from some numbers that you give. So if I say range 12, it gives us from 0 up to 12. In Python 3.7, it will not print out the list for you. But if you take it in a for loop, so for num in range, let me reduce it to 4. Print num. So what it did was, the range 4 will give you this list 0, 1, 2, 3. That's the list to give you. So 4 less 1. That is where it will start. So from 0 to 4 less 1. So print number. It goes through it. So the first number will be 0, and to print it, second one will be 1. So that's just how you do it. So to print it for the 10 million and 1, it's just simply the same thing. So in order to print the 4 at first, we should have just added 1 to the 4. That will give it 5. And printing that would have given us the 4 inclusive. So for the 1 million and 1 code, we just simply do the same thing and paste it there. But you know what? It is gonna take a lot of time for this code to run. So if you have some cup of tea or coffee, you can put it there. You can start drinking while we see Python do its magic. So it's going to print for us from 0 to 10 million and 1. I promise you, it's gonna take minutes. So it's printing. It's still in the 300s, 400s, 500s. Yeah, so as it's printing, you can also be subscribing. If you have any question to ask, and I'll be glad to respond to you in a while. And you can also check out my other videos too. They are really educative. And let me ask you a question. Why do you like programming? And why Python programming language? So you have the answers. Leave them in the comment section. Let's get interactive. So as you can see, it's still in 4,000. And it has taken like a minute to reach there. So it's going to take a whole time. So I just skip to the end of the video for you. Okay. It's still printing as a 7,000. And I know it's going to take a lot of time, but actually that is the logic behind it. So to cancel it, I just press Ctrl+C to cancel, to kill the program, because it's going to take a long time before it will finish printing out the solution. But that was just the logic behind it. I don't think in practical someone will give you a question and will require you to print all this on an Excel sheet for the person. So see you in my other videos. Subscribe.